How about those interest rate hikes and those interest payments? Where's this taking us?
Well, it's taken us to bankruptcy, to default, whatever you want to call it. If you go back to 1982, when interest rates peaked out, you'll see that each time rates came down, markets overheated, the Fed would raise rates and could never get even close to where the previous peak was. And they'd break something, either the economy or the markets. And when they would break something, then they would lower rates again. And they kept doing that all the way to 2019-20, when we actually got to a point where rates were basically at zero, and in parts of the world, rates were negative. Now what the Fed has done over the last year or so, they've raised rates continually, and they've wiped out all the rate cuts that they had done since 2001. And when they raise rates, they're putting stress on the system. They're putting stress on banks. That puts stress on derivatives, and that's over a $2 quadrillion market now. And in my estimation, they're not doing this by mistake. They're doing it by plan. I think it's the takedown of the system. They will ultimately implode the entire financial facade.